They walked away with a lot. This was an exceptional event. RSM left them with some concrete, time-tested skills that they need to have to enter the workforce. They talked about how success leaves clues. They talked about speaking up at events to be remembered. They really left the students with some concrete advice. Then this was followed by Holly Reid, who talked about her personal experience, how she lost her job, was $30,000 in debt, and you could really see how she wanted to teach the students how to overcome a situation like that. She left them with concrete advice about how to get a good credit score. She talked about putting buckets for your money in terms of those essential things, those needs, but then also to save. So this is information that is really going to serve them in the right now and in the long run to make sure that they have financial freedom. So in the Deese College of Business and Economics, we are really concerned about educating the whole student. We want students to do well in the classroom and learn their disciplinary knowledge, but we're also concerned about that hidden curriculum, that curriculum that is going to allow students to be successful in terms of leadership, in terms of financial management, financial literacy, in terms of networking. We're concerned about the whole student, and this event proves that point.